How to use your phone as a TV remote controller. Hello everyone, this is Max. Welcome back to another tutorial video. So let's start without wasting any time. Also make sure to watch this video till the end. So first of all, make sure your phone has IR blaster. If it's not available, you cannot use your phone as a TV remote. Now once you verify it, open up your Play Store. Tap on the source icon at the bottom right corner. Now tap on the source bar and type IR remote. Now scroll down. Now tap on MI remote controller. Now simply tap on install. Now wait for installation. After installing, simply tap on open. Now give the permissions. Now tap on add remote. Now select TV. Now search for the TV company. Tap on the company. Now turn on the TV and click on on. Now tap on the volume button. If the volume goes up, select yes. If it doesn't, select no. Again tap on it. Now select yes. Now tap on paired, and that's it. Thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon. See you in the next video.